Assalamualaikum. Right, let's we start the lesson. From last week, we talked about the physical fitness factors. Here we studied three matters: cardiovascular fitness, muscular endurance, muscular strength. In these three, we studied about what is that and what are the activities we need to do there, and what are the benefits we are getting from these three factors. Right? Today we are going to see that flexibility and body composition. Right? Here see, they are giving the explanation, they are giving the description for flexibility. Flexibility is the range of motions in a joint or a group of joints. Right? When we are doing one work, when we are doing one activity, how our body having a connections and joints, that here they are telling. For example, they are giving for flexible movement of joints, the length of the muscles, state of the ligaments and the joints are important. That is very important thing. Here we want to know about the flexibility. If you are not have that ligament and the joints in a proper way, we will get some injuries or we will get some painful in our body. Right? Again, they are giving limitation of flexibility will affect the function of the joints and efficiency of the person's directs. As a result, various joints elements and injuries could develop. That is I told earlier. What is that one? If you are not having a proper state of ligaments and joints, we will get these kinds of disables, right? Some injuries or some kind of pain. By engaging in exercise to suit different joints, one will be able to develop flexibility, right? When we are doing, for example, we can tell when you are participating in drill display, right? The first day practice, you will get more pain in your body, right? In your thigh, in your leg, in your hands, you will get more pains. But if you are doing that, getting a practice regularly, it will easy for you to do that activity, right? That is why all the players, when they are having a game, more than that, they are getting every day they are having a practices, right? Sometime it will be after 1 year, or sometime it will be after 4 years, or sometime it will be after 2 years, but they will do their practice day to day life. Then only they can have their joints and their muscles in a proper level. Otherwise, they can't play in their games. For that, first of all, they are talking about flexibility. What is flexibility? Here they are giving activities to develop flexibility. Right? Have any doubt? Right. Now we are moving to activities. They are telling here stretching exercise, yoga exercise, gymnastic, swimming, ballet, dancing. Right? When they are doing these kind of activities, it can be easy, the body can be easy to get their work properly. Right? When engaging in other exercises and day-to-day activities such as chopping firewood, here they are giving other day-to-day activities. Chopping firewood, drawing water, and working in a garden, flexibility can be improved. Right? Here they are giving main 5 activities. Here they are telling about three day-to-day life activities. Right? When we are doing these, flexible, when we are developing this flexibility, what are the benefits we are getting? That is here they are telling. First, they are telling joints functions to maximum capacity, and minimum joint related elements, helps to maintain balance, helps to improve posture. Right? These are the 4 benefits they are telling here. Let's see how we can get this one in a picture. We will see in the picture. Wait.
Elements என்ன?
Elementsனா ஒவ்வொரு எங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கிற ஒவ்வொரு பாகங்கள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். எங்களோட எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் எங்களோட பொடியில உள்ள ஒவ்வொரு பார்ட்ஸ்ல உள்ள see here. Can you see this gymnastic picture?
Yes, teacher.
Right? Here see how that girl having a leg and hands. See here. இங்க பாருங்க அவங்க எவ்வளவு மட்டுக்கு காலம் எடுக்கிறாங்க கை எடுக்கிறாங்கன்னு சொல்லி. So when we need to do this, the one person can't do this one, isn't it? Right? If that person get a proper practice only, that person can do like these things. Understood? Huh?
Teacher.
Yes, teacher. Teacher.
Right. And here see this swimming. Right? In this swimming, that whole body having the activity. That whole body gather to do this swimming. அப்படித்தானே இந்த ஸ்விம் பண்றதா இருந்தா எங்களோட கழுத்து கை கால் எல்லாமே ஹோல் பாடி நீட்ஸ் டு ஒர்க். ரைட்? அப்ப அதுக்கு தான் சொல்றாங்க என்னன்னு சொன்னாக்கா we need this flexibility. அப்ப இதெல்லாம் நாங்க செய்யற நேரத்துல we can get this kind of exercise properly. Clear? இப்ப விலகிதான் உங்களுக்கு எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் என்னன்னு சொல்லி எங்களோட பாடி பார்ட்ஸ் வந்து அதுக்கு மினிமம் ஜாயிண்ட் ரிலேட்டட் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ். அது வந்து எங்களுக்கு உள்ள வருத்தங்கள் அந்த இதெல்லாம் இங்காது. அந்த புடிப்பு அந்த மாதிரி இதெல்லாம் வந்து எங்களுக்கு குறைக்கும். அதைத்தான் எங்களை சொல்ல வராங்க. Clear?
Okay, teacher.
Right. Now,
Yes, teacher.
We are going to see about the 5th factors, body composition. Right? In this body composition, the human body is composed of water, protein. Wait. Right, let's start. Body composition. Here see the body composition. They are telling about the body composed. Right? Water, protein, minerals, and fat. We all know that one. This is called body composition. Body composition can be divided into 2 main components. Right? Here only they are having the separations. Other physical fitness, there is no any classifications. Here we are having that one. Right? First one, fat component. And next one, fat-free component. Right? Here see, we will see one by one what is fat component and what is fat-free component. First one, fat component includes all the fat in the body. Now you all of you guess where are the fats are there in our body. And next one, fat-free component is composed of all the non-fatty tissues of the body. Here they are giving the examples, including bones, muscles, organs, and connective tissues. Right, here we are seeing that including bones, muscles, organs, and connective tissues. Other than these, others all are that fat components. Right? That is the thing. You think, is there any fat in bone? Bone?
No.
No. In muscles, we can get the fat there. Right? In organs, eye, ear, can you see the fat there?
No.
No. So these are the examples for fat-free components. Other than that, we are having the fat in body. That is called fat component. Again, they are telling the amount of fat in healthy person is mentioned as a percentage of body weight. Right? Generally, for male and female, mostly all the things are differ from male and female. That is, we all know there, right? Here they are telling, generally for men, it is between 20 to 25, right, percentage. While for female, it is 30 to 35. Here see that differentiation, right? Here they are having 20 to 25. Here that can be 30 to 35. Risk of getting non-communicable diseases. Tell 2 examples for non-communicable diseases. One of you
Heart
tell.
attack,
Right.
cholesterol,
Cholesterol, right? High blood pressure,
diabetes,
heart attack. What else?
Cancer.
Diabetics, cancer. These all are non-communicable diseases, right? Here they are telling risk of getting non-communicable diseases is associated with a high level of fat in our body, right? When we are studying these non-communicable diseases, we are telling these kind of these things also. If we are not in a proper BMI, we will get this non-communicable diseases. If you are not, what is the equation for BMI? First, what do you mean by BMI? BMI means body mass index. What is the equation for that? Height into height. Tell.
oh my,
Overall body weight.
Body weight.
Right.
body over height into height.
Yeah. That is the thing. Body weight over height into height. That is, we are telling body mass index. Right? That is the thing they are telling. If you are not in a proper level, we will get some kind of non-communicable diseases. Therefore, they are telling the remedy for that. Therefore, it is important to maintain the proper percentage of fat in the body from young age. That is why they are telling always we need to get a regular exercise, or we need to do our day-to-day activities without machineries. We need to do that our work in our own. Right? That is the thing they are telling. Right, now they are telling about what are the things that can be done to maintain a proper body composition. Right. First of all, we all like this one. Have a healthy diet. Right? Have a healthy, well-balanced diet. Right? And minimize the intake of salt, sugar, and oily food. Right? That is the second one. Clear தானே? அடுத்து சொல்றாங்க engaging in aerobic exercises or sports for at least 30 minutes daily. Right? If you are not doing exercise, we need to get a proper exercise every day. Avoiding alcohol, get adequate amount of sleep and rest. Whenever possible, engaging in day-to-day activities with minimum use of equipment. Right? That is the important one. Minimum use of equipment, we need to do this one. Walking, climbing steps, right? Without using lift, right? We can climb the steps, right? If that place we need to go nearby, we can walk without going with the vehicle. Right? These are some kind of day-to-day activities. Engaging in day-to-day activities enthusiastically and actively. We need to do our work in a proper way. right? Now, again, they are coming to benefits, right? When we are having a proper body composition, what are the benefits we will get? Be healthy, be efficient, minimize injuries and disabilities, reduce risk of non-communicable diseases, develop a good physical appearance. These are the benefits. If you have any doubts here, all of you clear?
Yes, teacher. No, teacher.
Right.
Teacher.
Right. Now we finish here that 5 components. Again, here see one activity pyramid. Right, see this picture. When you are seeing this one, you can find out what we want to do more. Or when we are doing, how we want to do that one. Right? Daily work, here see, I think all of you can see clearly. Be active, use the staircase instead of electric lift, clean the home garden, engaging in home gardening, whenever possible work, right? Here they are telling about where are the places or what are the, we can do this. When we are talking about the pyramid, in downside, இந்த கீழே வாரதெல்லாம் என்ன கூடுதலா எங்களுக்கு செய்யக்கூடியது. மேலே மேலே வாரது என்ன நாங்க வந்து குறைச்சு செய்ய வேண்டியது. Right? Here these things we need to do daily. Right? Next one, the second week they are telling 3 to 5 times a week. Right? There is no need to do a regular one. We can do that one 3 to 5 times. What are that one? Climb steps, risky walks, swim, run, right? Engaging in aerobic exercise, engaging in dancing. These are some kind of work they are telling. We can do that for a week 2 to 5 times. Again they are telling, here see, here they told us swimming, but when they come to the third one, upper third, they are telling twice or thrice a week. Right? ரெண்டு தேனா அப்படி இல்லாட்டி 3 தேனா அதெல்லாம் போடுறாங்க பாருங்க. Swim fast. Right? Here you are swimming, but here you are swimming fast. Right? You can't do that one every day. Right? If you do like that, it can be damage your body, or sometimes it can be damage your joints. So every day or 3 to 5 times you can swim, but when you are swimming fast, that want to be in a twice or thrice a week. Here see, they are giving some limited one for long hours, right? Watching television, playing computer games, work associated with the computer. இது என்ன சொல்றாங்க? Limit. You need to limit that one. Right? This is the pyramid of physical fitness. Right? Now, I gave one exercise. You wait here. Thing they are showing. Right? I earlier showed that one. That emotions contributing the part here. Right? Stressful situation, when you are getting a stressful situation, work effectively and contribute positively to the society. And again they are telling, maintaining a very good physical and mental status is important. Right? Always we are studying what is total health. There want to be a physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being. Right? If our physical is not good, our mind also not good. Right? For example, we can tell about when we are getting fever, right? That is, it will happen in a physical. But our mental also get tiredness, and very loneliness like that tension or sometimes sadness all will come, right? That is the thing they are telling. Emotions develop within a person and balancing them, it is very important for positive mental and physical health. The way we think in the situation, one's personality and behavior of others affect our emotions. That will also happen. Right? நாங்க கவலை அடிக்கிறது அது இன்னொரு பாதிக்கலாம். Right? If sometime in our home, one sad things or sadness will happen. At that time, how we will feel? Tell.
Sadly.
Right, we also get that sad mood. Right, that is the thing here they are telling. The way we think in a situation, one's personality and behavior of others affect our emotions. That will also happen. And again, they are telling about psychosocial well-being could be achieved by identifying positive and negative emotions. What is the tell two example for positive emotion?
Happiness.
Happiness, joyful,
Happy.
right?
Appreciation.
That all will come from positive emotion. Negative emotions,
When others scold.
when others call, you will get negative emotion. Negative emotion means sadness, jealousy, right?
Sorrow.
Sorrows, that will all are negative emotions. The
Yes.
reasons for, yes, the reasons for them, the reasons for stress, its features and steps that can be taken to minimize stress. Right? When we need to get the proper psychosocial well-being, we need to get the reasons for that. Right? Why it's happening, or what is the cause of that. Likewise, we want to think and we want to identify what is the matter, what is the problem we are having. Right? That is the thing. They are giving the introduction for psychosocial well-being. Right? We need to neglect all the negativeness. Right? We neglect all the troubles and all, stress and all. Our mind want to be always fresh mind. Then only we can do our work properly. That is the important one. All of you clear? For example, when we are taking in this current pandemic situation, this is when sometime maybe you will get some stress because we are doing all the classes in Zoom or you are not in the classroom, right? There is no any interact to the teachers and students directly. Sometimes it will can get some stressness. At that time, you want to think there is another solution. Right? When we are studying or when we are doing like this, sometimes we can get more than that. Right? Now we are developed in a technology. Likewise, we want to think that in a positive way. And we want to move on that. That is the matter here they are telling about. Allah. Sorry girls. This is the thing we need to know. We are talking about the control of emotions. Right here, we are going to talk about how we need to control that emotions. Right? எப்படி நாங்க emotions கட்டுப்படுத்தணுங்கிறத பார்க்க போறோம். Right. In these questions coming in a O-level part 2 optional questions. Right? Or in the optional fourth question, we will get this one. For example, one of your friend calling you in a midnight party. At that time, what is your response till? Is it good? Right, avoiding that one. Avoiding, and you need to give a proper response to that one. That is the main thing. Right? You need to give a proper response to that. It's not good. We need to get our permission from parents. Now we all are studying students, right? So we need to have time management. We need to serve the time for studying, not to having like these parties. Likewise, you need to explain that friend. What are the things you are explaining there? That is, you want to write it on the paper, and you will get a marks for that. So this is the thing they are giving. They are giving some examples here also. While playing a game of a cricket with friends, Piyal misses a catch when Kumara, the highest score, was betting. Right? Sunil gets angry over the issues in the game PL. Right? Pobudo intervenes and settles the argument between Sunil and PL. They are giving the situation. Right? Catch கிடைக்க இருந்த catch PL மிஸ் பண்றாரு. உடனே என்ன நடக்குது? உடனே யாருக்கு கோபம் வருது? சுனிலுக்கு கோபம் வருது. உடனே பிஎல போயிட்டு பேசுது. Right? They all are one team. Right? In that one team, if they are having an angry and scolding one to another, what will happen? Can we that players can get the win in that game? Huh?
No.
No. Why? They are having some kind of anger. Right? They are not having a proper mindset, so they will get a very less active in that game. So we need to control the emotions. What is our goal in the game? That the players need to have the goal. They need to win the game. Right? That is the goal. So they need to move to that goal, not to their angers and worries. That is the thing. Again, here they are explaining. See, emotion means a strong feeling. It can change our activities externally as well as internally. Right? Emotions could also be identified as thoughts that occur very fast and instantly in our mind of a person. Right? They are having one proverb, ahatin alagu mohatil theriyum. Right? What we are thinking, that can be show in our face. That is, they are telling here externally and internally. Right? We have pleasant emotion as well as unpleasant emotions. Right? They are giving the examples: happiness, appreciation, exhilaration, compassion, and being bountiful are a few pleasant emotions. Right? This is the, sometimes we can tell a positive emotion. Anger, fear, disturb, sorrows, and jealousy are a few unpleasant emotions. Right? This is some negative one. ரெண்டு மாதிரியான உதாரணம் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. பாசிட்டிவ் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க, நெகட்டிவ் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. Right? Now we are moving to factors affecting emotions. How that emotions getting to our mind and how it's having the reactions. First, they are telling the situation. Right? Earlier I told one situation, and here you are having a certain situation. Right? In that situation, how that thought, என்னோட மைண்ட் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்? Right? அந்த மைண்ட் வந்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தா, see here, understanding the situation. Right? Religious beliefs and social acceptance. Right? That is, we need to think. When we are calling one of your friend calling for night parties, you want to think these both things: understanding the situation and your religious beliefs. Right? Sometime your friend called to a showing a watching a film on a theater. At that time also we need to think these things. And what will happen? Previous experience and level of education, that is also getting a proper thought. இப்ப உதாரணத்துக்கு நாங்க ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன் எடுத்துக்கிட்டாக்கா, இந்த எண்ணங்கள் எங்ககிட்ட உண்டாகிற எண்ணங்கள் இது மூணையும் தொடர்ந்துதான் இருக்கும். எங்களுக்கு இருக்கிற நாலேஜ், அதே நேரத்துல எங்களுக்கு இருக்கிற ரிலீஜியஸ் பிலீஃப்ஸ், அதே நேரம் நாங்க விளங்கிக்கிட்ட அந்த சிச்சுவேஷன். Right? How we can react to that emotion. Right? This chart is very important. Right? See properly. Emotions. These emotions can be differ from personality, gender, and that experience. இப்போ உங்களை ஒரு ஒரு கேர்ள் ரிவருக்கு போக கூப்பிடுறாங்கன்னு சொன்னா, நீங்க இதுக்கு முன்னுக்கு ரிவருக்கு தனிய போய் ஏதாவது அங்க உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸிடென்ட்ஸ் நடந்தா, that is the experience, right? And we need to think about the gender, right? நாங்க ஃபீமேல் ஆகிக்கிறோம், தனி எங்களுக்கு போகலுமா, தனியை பேசிட்டு வரையலாமாங்கிறத we need to think. அப்படிங்கிற நேரம் இந்த emotion can be changed, right? Personality. This personality also can be changed, these emotions. And behavior of others, that is also sometime that emotions can be differ. இப்ப சடனா கோபம் வரும், சடனா ஏதாவது நடக்கும், அது ஒரு ஆளுக்கு அடுத்தவங்களோட பிஹேவியரை பொறுத்து. இந்த இது அவ்வளவு கடந்து வர நேரத்துல here you can feel feelings, physical changes, facial expressions, behavioral changes, right? Feelings means sometimes you can be happy or sometimes you can be sadness, right? That is feelings, emotions, right? Physical changes. You are winning a final sports meet. Your house got a first place. How that physical changes will happen? Right? Shouting, jumping, running, right? Having a flags here and there, like getting the flags to that other houses. இப்படியெல்லாம் நடக்கிற physical changes. அதே ஒரு கவலை வந்தா என்ன செய்வீங்க? ஒரு இடத்துல அழுதுகிட்டு, ரைட், கவலையா இருக்கிறது. இல்லாட்டி வித்து சில பேர் என்ன செய்வாங்க, கவலையா இருந்தா மிச்ச கவலையா இருந்தா வித்து தூங்கிடுவாங்க. That is also some kind of physical change, right? Facial expression, that is I earlier told you. அகத்தின் அழகு முகத்தில் தெரியும். நீங்க சந்தோஷமா இருந்தாலும் உங்களோட முகத்துல விளங்கும், நீங்க கவலையா இருந்தாலும் உங்களோட முகத்துல விளங்கும். அதே நேரம் நீங்க ஒரு ஆளோட ஜெலஸா இருந்தாலும் that your facial expression will show that one. Behavioral changes, right? உங்களோட நடத்தையில மாற்றம் வரும், right? If that one situation, the thoughts, the emotions are getting these kind of matters. Clear in the chart? All of you clear in this diagram?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Right. According to the diagram, they are telling, according to the above diagram, many factors affect emotions. Let us find out reason for Sunil saying. Here they are talking about that earlier cricket team situation. The way we look at situations and what we expect in such situation affects our emotions. If PL had not missed the catch at the circular point of the game, it is possible that Sunil would not have got very angry. And the PL miss ஆகாம இருந்திக்க catch, and the Sunil angry ஆகிக்க மாட்டாரு. Sunil's and Pubudu's different reaction to the situation. Both are friends, but they are having two reactions. Sunil got angry, Pugudu making a peaceful mind, and the Pugudu showing a very respectful manner to other person. Different reactions to the situation. So how persons with different personalities differentially react the same situation. Right? That is the thing. ஒரே சம்பவத்துக்கு ரெண்டு பேரோட ரியாக்ஷன். ரைட்? அதே மாதிரி தான் ஜெண்டர் வர நேரத்துலயும் சில ஃபீமேலுக்கு ஒரு ரியாக்ஷன் ஆயிக்கும், மேலுக்கு ஒரு ரியாக்ஷன் ஆയിരിக்கும். Right? If that person gets some experience that can be different, or if that a first experience or that level of education that can be changed. Right? If a grade 1 ஒரு புள்ளைக்கும் grade 11ல உள்ள புள்ளைக்கும் ஒரே லெவலான எஜுகேஷன் ஆயிக்குது?
No.
No. Right? Likewise, ஒரு A level புள்ளைக்கும் ஒரு 30 years ஒரு ஆளுக்கா ஒரே லெவலான எஜுகேஷன் ஆயிருக்கா? That is also no, because that person get life experience. That 30-year person, அவங்க படிச்சிருந்தாலும் அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு லைஃப் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கூடுதலா இருக்கும். ஒரு A level பிள்ளைய பொறுத்தவரையில A level பிள்ளைக்கும் ஒரு 30 years ஆளுக்கும் பொறுத்தவரை. So that is they are telling here. There are the other reasons that affects emotions. Again, they are telling the way males and females express their emotions or feelings are different. Now I talk that one. Generally, males hesitate to express fear or sorrows in certain cultures. Feelings or emotions are not expressed openly. Some emotions and feelings that are expressed may depend on past experience. Right? That is the thing they are talking about. For example, they are telling, due to the road traffic accidents in the past, a person may be regulate to drive a vehicle. Right? Another example. Feelings and behaviors of the others could affect our emotions. Right? While watching a sports, even if a game behaves in an unruly manner, it will enticed the others to behave in the same manner. Right? இப்ப நான் உதாரணத்துக்கு சொல்ல போனா, நாங்க ஸ்பெக்டேட்டர்ஸா இருக்கிற நேரத்துல நாங்க என்ன செய்வோம், நாங்களே கிரவுண்ட்ல விளையாடுறாப்புல நாங்க நினைச்சுக்கொள்வோம். Who is spectators? Who is spectators?
We.
பார்வையாளர்கள். Spectators. Right? That is the spectators. அப்ப அந்த ஸ்பெக்டேட்டர்ஸ் அவங்க பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தாலும் அவங்க என்ன நினைப்பாங்க, நாங்க கிரவுண்ட்ல இறங்கி விளையாடுறோம் அப்படிங்கறதான் நினைப்பாங்க. That is the thing happen. Right? Now all of you clear in these factors affecting emotions?
Yes, teacher.
Any doubts?
No.
No. Right. Now we just see this heading and we will close that one. Changes that occur due to emotions. Physical changes such as an increase in the rate of heartbeat. Right? Reactions. What will happen if we are having emotions? What are the reactions we will get, or what are the changes get in our physical? See, first one, the heart rate will be increased. Next one, increased blood pressure, rapid breathing, increased sweating, dryness of the mouth and lips occur when an individual is subject to emotions like anger and fear. ரைட் ஒரு ஆள் வந்து கோவமாவோ இல்லாட்டி ரொம்ப பயமாவோ இருந்தா இந்த மாதிரியான சேஞ்சஸ் வரணும்னு சொல்றாங்க. Right? These changes help one to make a decision whether to escape or fight the situation. Right? That is the thing will happen. Characteristics of facial expressions can be seen according to the different emotions. Right. Again, earlier we told in our physical we will have a lot of changes. Likewise, we will get some kind of facial expression also that can be also differ emotions. Earlier I show you that emotions, right? That sadness or happiness or sorrows we can change in our face. Think for a while. The changes you could see when you are sad, happy or afraid. These changes help others to identify your emotions. Emotions can be affect our decisions. Right? அதுதான் சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா ஆத்திரக்காரனுக்கு புத்தி மட்டும்னு சொல்லி நாங்க அவசரமா எடுக்கிற ஒரு முடிவு sometimes it can be wrong. Right? So we need to get a proper decision in a proper way. Right? நாங்க ரொம்ப கோபத்தோட ஒரு முடிவு எப்பவுமே எடுக்க கூடாது. அதே நேரம் நாங்க எங்களோட கோபத்தை இமோஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் இல்லாம தான் நாங்க இந்த முடிவுகளை எடுக்கணும். That is why they are telling here. It could make us take wrong decisions. Emotions can affect our behavior and situations that create anger can result in one being aggressive. சில பேரை பார்த்தா கோவம் வந்துறாங்க என்ன செய்வாங்க ஏதோ ஒரு கையில ஏதாவது அதை தூக்கி போட்டு உடைப்பாங்க, நைட் இல்லாட்டி எதுக்கு வந்து போயிட்டு அடிப்பாங்க. இந்த மாதிரி நடந்தது யாருக்கு நஷ்டமா? That person getting a lost. இப்போ உதாரணத்துக்கு சொல்லுவோம், கையில போன் ஈக்கிது, ரொம்ப கோவம் வந்துட்டு தூக்கி அடிக்கிற போனை, யாருக்கு அது நஷ்டம்? அந்த பர்சனுக்கு. ஏன் போன் உடைஞ்சுது, எங்களோட இமோஷன்ஸ் குறைஞ்சதுக்கு போற போன் ரிட்டர்ன் கிடைக்குமா? இல்ல. That is the thing. When we are not affected that emotions in that manner, we will get the more loss. Again they are telling, even at times where positive emotions occur, one must not behave in a manner that would harm others. Right? எங்களுக்கு பாசிட்டிவான இமோஷன்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் சரி, நெகட்டிவா இந்த இமோஷன்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் சரி, that want to be not harm to others. That is the thing we all want to know here. Right? Here today you need to draw this chart also. Right? Results of positive emotions, results of negative emotions. Right? Please write down 3 situations for each these emotions. Right? 3 situations எழுதுங்க. Positive emotions negative emotions. All of you clear?
Yes, teacher.